August 9th, 2011, and this just goes to show you how dry it is here every summer on Salt Spring Island. I'm pressure washing the eaves troughs here at the Rainbow Pool on Salt Spring Island. There's the pressure washer. At least I can reach most of them. Just the front ones I had to use a ladder, but all these ones I got a long enough pressure washer nozzle I can just stand on the ground and do it. But anyway, this is how dry it is here. You can see the grass. Everybody's lawns look like this if you don't have irrigation. It's just burnt out. We haven't had any rain. Forest fire season is high as usual at this time of the year, so it doesn't take much to burn those mountains up there with carelessness. Just one cigarette or somebody lighting a match and throwing it down into the ground. It's like a tinder box here on Salt Spring Island. So anyway, it makes all the trees look greener with this brown grass, that's for sure. And no more mowing here. It's crispy brown and crunchy dry. And the fields as well.